Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame, then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green line there is coming from. And, updates need to be made. I think update's probably not the right word. Confirmation would probably be more so the accurate term. Confirmation of what? Well, the main point of confirmation has everything to do with this pink line right here. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Friday. But if you didn't, I talked about that as being a level of resistance to keep an eye on going forward. And once again, this level has definitely shown itself and confirmed that it is indeed a level of resistance. And like it did yesterday, not yesterday, but on Friday, the price was able to push up above it. But as far as staying up above it, that's where it struggled. Right here, same thing. Sure, the price got up above that pink line, but in terms of staying up above it, it failed. And even more so kind of right here to a much lesser extent. But the overall point here that I'm trying to drive home is that, yeah, definitely this 200 period is currently being a thorn in the side of the bulls. And if there is going to be any sort of, overall continuation, as time, progresses, then that pink line is the level that not only is the price going to have to push through, but more importantly, stay up above. Because, yeah, the price has actually pushed up above it several times, but when it comes to staying up above it, as the chart has shown us, that's where the price actually struggles the most. So that's definitely going to be that near-term level of resistance to watch going forward. As far as areas of support are concerned, again, nothing necessarily new, but just kind of points of confirmation. Ideally speaking, in the very short term, keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average. If the price can stay above there, that is certainly going to make the chart look the strongest by far. However, from more so the overall perspective, it's all about $2.60. Why is that level so important? I'm not going to beat that dead horse. You can just go back and watch the video from Friday if you're curious. But, it doesn't really pertain right now given the price is way up above $3. But 260 is definitely that overall level if you're curious more so on why that level is important. From a big picture point of view, like I said, you can just go back in the video archives and watch the video from Friday. But all in all, nice looking chart still. But certainly confirmation that 200 period is a thorn in the side of the bulls. So we'll see if this week the bulls can actually get up above it. And like I said, most importantly, stay up above it. The week is young, still 4 days left. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.